Tired of wrestling with cluttered tables in Microsoft Word that bury your important information? Let's transform your data presentation by mastering how to efficiently delete rows and columns. First, we need to select the row you want to remove. Simply click inside any cell of that row. You'll see the entire row become highlighted, indicating it's selected and ready for action. Now, head to the very top of your Word window and click on the Layout tab. This tab appears specifically when you're working with tables, giving you all the table management tools you need. Within the Layout tab, locate the Rows and Columns group here. You'll find a Delete button. Click on it, and a small menu will pop up with different deletion options. To remove the entire row, choose the Delete Rows option from that menu. Instantly, your selected row will vanish, leaving your table cleaner and more focused. Deleting columns follows a very similar process. Click inside any cell of the column you wish to remove. Again, the entire column will be highlighted, so you know it's selected. Return to the Layout tab, and in that same Rows and Columns group, click the Delete button once more. This time, select Delete Columns from the pop-up menu, and just like that, your chosen column is gone, streamlining your table structure. By mastering these simple steps, you can effortlessly remove unnecessary data or structure from your Word tables, ensuring your documents are clear, concise, and perfectly presented.